Ready to conquer the notorious Retell Lecture section of the PTE exam? Firstly, let's understand what Retell Lecture is all about. It's where you listen to a short lecture, then summarize it in your own words. The key here is comprehension, organization, and delivery. We're going to break down how to ace it, step by step. Step 1. Active listening. Pay acute attention, take notes as the lecture plays. Don't try to transcribe everything. Instead, focus on key ideas, main points, and supporting examples. Use abbreviations, symbols, words, or short notes. Think about categories like introduction, key points, and conclusion. Step 2. Note-taking strategies. Develop an efficient note-taking system. Consider using a mind map or bullet points. Capture your short notations on these note-taking skills. This way it will be easier to organize your thoughts. This will act as a foundation to explain your ideas in your own words. Step 3. Structure and delivery. Practice constructing your response using a set framework. Start with an overview, then mention the main points, along with their accompanying details before summarizing everything. During recording, speak clearly, maintain eye contact, and vary your intonation. Step 4. Practice and time management. Practice frequently using sample lectures. Time yourself, because you'll only be given 40 seconds to respond. Try to include all key information within the given time. In summary, perfect listening, note-taking, construction, practice, and time management. That's it. By focusing on these points, you'll improve your public speaking and build confidence, ultimately boosting your PTE score. Good luck.